Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix running scripts is disabled in Windows PowerShell CMD or in VSCode. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type get-execution policy. Type get-execution policy space, unrestrict. Type Y. Type get-execution policy. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.